What should I do? मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? What should I do? All are busy playing. सब खेलने में मसरूफ़ हैं. All are busy playing. The fault was yours, not mine. गलती तुम्हारी थी, ना कि मेरी. The fault was yours, not mine. By what time will you reach there? तुम किस वक्त वहाँ पहुँचोगे? By what time will you reach there? How much money do you need for this? तुम्हें इसके लिए कितने पैसे चाहिए? How much money do you need for this? How much money is needed to build a house? एक मकान बनाने के लिए कितने पैसे चाहिए होते हैं? How much money is needed to build a house? 100 kilos make a quintal. 100 किलो में एक क्वांटल होता है. 100 kilos make a quintal. She is the most beautiful of all. वो सबसे खूबसूरत है. She is the most beautiful of all. She is the eldest of all. वो सबसे बड़ी है. She is the eldest of all. We eat to live. हम जिंदा रहने के लिए खाते हैं. We eat to live. But some people live to eat. लेकिन कुछ लोग खाने के लिए जीते हैं. But some people live to eat. She praised him. उसने उसकी तारीफ की. She praised him. Have you noticed? क्या तुमने ध्यान दिया? Have you noticed? He told me this. उसने मुझे ये बताया. He told me this. She always tells a lie. वो हमेशा झूठ बोलती है. She always tells a lie. May I rest here? क्या मैं यहाँ आराम कर सकता हूँ? May I rest here? Population has increased. आबादी बढ़ गई है. Population has increased. All the guests have left. तमाम मेहमान जा चुके हैं. All the guests have left. It is too tough. ये बहुत मुश्किल है. It is too tough. You look tired. तुम थके थके लग रहे हो. You look tired. He resembles his sister. वो अपनी बहन जैसा लगता है. He resembles his sister. She had gone by then. तब तक वो जा चुकी थी. She had gone by then. You must see this. तुम्हें ये ज़रूर देखना चाहिए. You must see this. She does not know my name. वो मेरा नाम नहीं जानती. She does not know my name. I did not do this. मैंने ये नहीं किया. I did not do this. Have you finished your work? तुमने काम ख़त्म कर लिया. Have you finished your work? Are you coming along? क्या तुम साथ आ रहे हो? Are you coming along? I am learning English these days. आजकल मैं English सीख रहा हूँ. I am learning English these days. Is your computer in working condition? क्या तुम्हारा कंप्यूटर चलता है? Is your computer in working condition? Father is scolding brother. वालिद भाई को डांट रहे हैं. Father is scolding brother. Don't you have patience? क्या तुम में सब्र नहीं है? Don't you have patience? They do not have patience. उनमें सब्र नहीं है. They do not have patience. Complete the work. काम मुकम्मल करो. Complete the work. You cannot leave without completing it. तुम इसे पूरा किए बगैर नहीं जा सकते. You cannot leave without completing it. What is for dinner? रात के खाने में क्या है? What is for dinner? I might have become a doctor. मैं डॉक्टर बन सकता हूँ. I might have become a doctor. What have you done for me? तुमने मेरे लिए किया क्या है? What have you done for me?